question. Perhaps Georgina and Lem can answer.
Baka we can ask more people to ask questions. Okay ba tayo?
Thank you so much po.
Hindi namin abot.
So good afternoon. Huy!
So-
Good afternoon, everyone.
So pakilala ulit tayo, tapos change the world tayo ulit.
Huy! Change the world? Ah. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Mine from Kasika. So this question would be directed to Sir Limuel. Kabahan. Huy! Anyway, so I would like to acknowledge, sir, that your words are very powerful, and I think it reached me. Huy! Anyway, so with that being said, I would like just to give context. I am running for a position as a chairperson in our barangay. Huy, napulbaan na dyan ko. Anyway, with that being said as well, I am not admin nor other team. I don't know. I'm not familiar with the term. So meaning to say, I'm running independently, and I am with you with your statements saying I am also trying to get that space for our youth. And with that, I think the only thing that I would ask is what can you give, or any motivation that you can give to these people trying to have this space, considering that it's very hard. Very hard, Jude. Uy!
Unang-una, maraming salamat sa pagtindig at paninindigan. Mahirap, lalong-lalo na sa konteksto ng local politics, sa barangay na level. Pero we have to start somewhere. And you finding the spot na kailangan simulan ko, kailangan kahit mahirap subukan ko. Kasi kung hindi mo susubukan, paano? How will you test the water kung kaya ko ba, lulusot ba? At ang pinaka-importante doon, maghanap ka ng kakampi mo. At inista ako, we believe in numbers. Strength in numbers. Makipag-usap ka sa libu-libong tao na meron kayo sa barangay ninyo, merong kabataan na makakita ng potensyal mo, maniniwala sa mga pinaglalaban mo at sa propaganda or sa mga anumang advocacies na meron ka. Subukin mo rin kausapin yung mga elders, yung mga mas nakakatanda, nauna sa duyan, and try, kahit minsan pakiramdam mo hindi kayo magtatagpo, na hindi ka nila maintindihan, subukan mo pa rin. Kasi mas nakakatakot to pag hindi tayo sumubok. Pag nakampante na lang tayo, nahayaan na natin kasi bulok na. Hayaan na natin kasi hindi na kaya. Doon po masulugmok ang lugar o bansang meron tayo. Sabi nga ng professor ko sa Xavier University, alam nyo kung bakit problematic ang mga municipalities and cities ng provinces na meron kayo? Dahil hinahayaan nyo yun. Yung mga taong walang pakinabang na umupo sa posisyon na binabayaran ng gobyerno. Matalo ka man sa susunod na eleksyon siguro, pero God forbid hindi, subukan mo sa susunod na taon. Pag natalo, subukan mo ulit. Pag hindi ka doon nagwagi, find another path na kung saan magagamit mo pa rin yung passion mo at yung mga alam mo para makatulong ka sa community mo. Getting elected is not the only way. You can organize, you can actively participate in the policy and decision-making processes. You can actually write policy recommendations, talk to the executive chair, talk to your vice mayors and the councilors, at ilabi mo yung sa tingin mong tama at naangko para sa kabataan sa inyong lugar. Maraming salamat po, and good luck.
Change the world.
Change the world!
Good afternoon po. I'm Renan Gonzalez.